Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. It's video day. Wendy's back from another time off. How long were you gone this time?
5 days.
5 days. And what did you do? Did you sightsee someplace?
No.
Do you feel okay? All right, video one. This is a 7-year update on an FUE into scar tissue on a woman. And you just told me that this lady is now a bodybuilder, right?
Yes.
So she had been in a car wreck or something when she was a kid, and had
when she was younger, yeah.
And she had a patch, yay big, of no hair right here, and in this picture that you see. And we did her 7 years ago, the day after Thanksgiving, and here she is at the end of the case. And then I think we did a little video on her when we first started doing videos, but she walked in for something completely unrelated last week, and she did this little video. All right, Rachel, I can use your picture, right? And post this on YouTube?
Yes.
Good. So you just walked in. I didn't recognize you, and it's been 90 months since I saw you the last time, and you had, and the picture's up to your right, you'd been in a car wreck and had a patch, maybe a little bigger than a 50-cent piece that didn't have any hair in it. And you walked, and we did a little case on you the day after Thanksgiving, and you walked in today about something different. And I didn't remember who you were until you reminded me. And that's pretty good. It's 7.5 years. Mm-hmm. And you'd forgotten what you looked like too, because we just went and looked at the pictures, and you said, "Oh my goodness, yeah, right."
Yes.
Have you been happy with this?
I'm very happy with the results. I can't even tell what I had there.
Right. That's why I take all these silly pictures so I can show you, because people do forget. All right. Well, thank you for coming today.
Thank you.
So I didn't remember her when she walked in. She looks completely different. Maybe it's the hair. Maybe it's her. She's in better shape than she was before. But that's a good result. People always ask whether hair will grow in scar tissue, and the answer is, if done correctly, most often it does. Yeah.
Yeah, she has, she has that straight, thin hair, but she has pretty dense.
Yeah, and we left it like we always do when we put it into scar. We leave a little extra dirt or adipose tissue around the roots, and we say the magical words and really try not to manipulate the grafts any more than possible. And we leave the slits when we put them in the scar tissue just a little wider, a little more separate than we do with their standard kind of virgin haircut.
Yeah. So, Victor, one of our patients, the hairstylist sent her in because he had been having issues on how to do her hair, because she was never happy of how he would try to make it cover it, and he's like, it's right in the middle. Yeah, he didn't like that. But and I talked to Victor. I told him when we saw her, and he says, oh yeah, I don't have an issue with that anymore.
And we have a video on Victor. He was bald. There was a class 6 hair loss, and then he got his citizenship after 2 hair transplants and dressed up like Johnny Depp. Remember that?
Yeah.
All right. So in summary, we do put hair into scars. It generally works. It takes a little longer than with a standard hair transplant, and we modify the grafts just a little bit. If we can help you, give us a call.